This 2025 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 24RLXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Giddings, Texas, 78942 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Giddings. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features a CRESCENT interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.